All right, I'm here with Calvin from Crewscope at Collision Conference 2024 at the York Region booth. How's your show going, Calvin?
Yeah, it's going great. We're having a great time.
Tell us about Crewscope. What's it all about?
Yeah, we build high-performance industrial teams. So we're working with hourly workers on construction projects and industrial manufacturing sites. We're working with some of the most major builders in North America, like Ellis Don and Lafarge. We're helping them set common goals, and we pay shared incentives when they hit their targets. And we've helped them improve labor productivity by over 10%.
So you're already a mature platform then, if you're already operational, especially with big names like Ellis Don and all that, wow.
Yeah, we're working with live crews. We're doing real infrastructure work. We're building a wastewater treatment plant. We're working at one of the largest quarries in North America. So we have a number of clients, and we're showing some great results.
Awesome. And what are you looking to achieve here from Collision Conference?
Well, we've proven some really great initial traction, and we're looking to fundraise. So we're connecting with investors and just building out our network.
I want to hear your pitch in a moment if you're willing to give us an elevator pitch on Crewscope. But before that, what's your connection to York Region?
We joined the Y-Space accelerator, so we have an office here, and they've been great at connecting us with investors, but also potential clients.
And how's that experience been going?
Outstanding. They've been really, really well connected, and I think for entrepreneurs and startups in Toronto area, we don't really have the same kind of concentration that you might have in other markets. So Y-Space is playing a critical role for us in connecting us with some great advisors and giving us face time with all the right investors.
Awesome. All right, so Calvin, I'm going to give you the microphone. Right. We would love to hear your elevator pitch about Crewscope.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, ready to go. I'm Calvin, co-founder, CEO of Crewscope. We build high-performance industrial teams. We work with hourly labor on industrial sites like construction projects or industrial manufacturing sites, and we work with them to be more productive and more engaged. We do that by setting common goals, and we pay shared incentives. Part of the problem with the labor crisis is that there's just not enough workers. And our solution is to get the best out of the workers that we do have. And to do that, we need to enable them to be more productive, we need to engage them in their work, and we need to align their incentives. Hourly workers, of course, are paid for the hours they put into projects, but the infrastructure that we depend on, that depends on getting the projects done on time or on schedule. And so we help bring the visibility to that, but we also make it fun for the crew. And by building high-performance teams, we're able to attract the best and bring the best out of them.
Great job, Calvin. Awesome. What's the best website to learn more?
Please visit us at crewscope.com.
All right, crewscope.com. Thanks so much for your time. Have a great rest of the show.
Yeah, thanks for having me.